Hello everyone. First of all, I wish all of you a very happy and prosperous new year 2022. In this video, we will learn two more cases of projection of straight line. The first case is line parallel to both the planes. In this case, this line AB, it is parallel to both the planes. See, if I hold this line in this position, this line is parallel to vertical plane as well as horizontal plane. If I want to draw its front view, I am supposed to project both the ends of the line on vertical plane. These projectors will meet this vertical plane at 2 points, and if I join these 2 points, I will get its front view A dash B dash. A dash B dash is a front view. And to draw its top view, I am supposed to project both the ends on horizontal plane to get its top view. After joining these 2 points, I get its top view AB. If I want to show both the views on orthographic plane, see, now what is this? Front view, whereas this is top view. See, this will be like this. This is XY line, front view, and moreover, we will get in front view and top view the true length. Okay, this will give you true length as line is parallel to both the planes. This is A dash B dash is a front view, okay, with the true length, and AB is a top view. AB is a top view. AB is a top view. Again, it is with true length. Okay, again it is with true length, top view. Now, this is second case. Line is in both the planes. Here, as line is in both the planes, it is coming on XY line. This XY line is common to both the planes. If I try to draw its projections, if I want to project both the ends on vertical plane, there is no space or no question of projecting the ends, because as the line is lying on XY, which is the common line to both the planes, line itself will act as front view. Okay, therefore, what is this? This is A dash B dash front view. Of course, it is with the true length, and to get its top view, again, if you try to draw its projections on horizontal plane, the line itself will act as a top view. And this is what AB. AB is a top view with again true length. To show these projections on orthographic plane, see, the projections would be like this. Both the views will coincide. A dash B dash is a front view with the true length, and AB, it is a top view with true length. In both the cases, we are getting true length in both views, that is front view and top view, because here line is parallel to both the planes, and here line is in both the planes, it is as good as parallel to both the planes. I hope you must have understood this concept. Thanks for watching. In the next video, we will go for oblique lines by recalling knowledge of all the cases, that is line inclined to HP parallel to VP, line inclined to VP parallel to HP, line parallel to both planes, and so on. These prerequisites are required to study the oblique line projection, that is projection of line inclined to both the planes. Thanks once again.